You are going to love the 2026 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.